हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हो आप सब। आज हम फाइंड आउट करेंगे मैग्नेटिक मोमेंट फॉर द डिफरेंट अरेंजमेंट्स ऑफ द बार मैग्नेट। आप लोगों को सबको पता ही है कि मैग्नेटिक मोमेंट क्या होती है, एक वेक्टर क्वांटिटी है। तो बाय यूजिंग अ वेक्टर वी जस्ट सॉल्व ऑल दीज प्रॉब्लम्स। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी कंसीडर द मैग्नेटिक मोमेंट ऑफ ईच मैग्नेट इज m. Now the direction of magnetic moment is from south to north. Just draw a vector form. Direction हमने draw करी है and these two vectors are parallel to each other. Therefore, by using a vector addition, we can write down m plus n is magnetic moment for each magnet, and therefore net resultant magnetic moment is 2m. Now for the next case, draw the magnetic moment direction. In this case, the two vectors are anti-parallel. Therefore, net resultant is m minus m is 0. Now in third case, draw again the magnetic moment direction, that is south to north. In this case, two vectors are inclined 90 degree, and we know for the 90 degree angle, the vector can be added by using this formula m1 m2 cos 90 degree, and therefore we get m square plus m square plus 0, that is root 2m. Now for the fourth case, again draw magnetic moment direction. Here the two vectors incline 60 degree angle by using the vector addition. Again we get m square 2m square cos 60 degree, and cos 60 degree is 1 by 2, so we get root 3m. For the last case, the direction is again south to north, here south to north, right? But angle we include is the 120 degree, because direction of two vector जो inclined कर रहे हैं angle वो है 120 degree. Therefore m net is equal to में m1 square m2 square प्लस में 2m square cos 120 degree, and cos 120 degree is the minus 1 by 2. Therefore we get m for the last case. इस तरीके से हम सारे मैग्नेटिक मोमेंट फॉर द बार मैग्नेट बाय यूजिंग वेक्टर एडिशन कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. थैंक यू.